Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. Okay, so we are discussing your chapter 2 and we discussed the flow chart of e-commerce application, flow chart of major activities of e-commerce application. Okay, we discussed the login, registration, ordering flow chart, then your order processing flow chart, and I had written the cart finalization flow chart and it was the task for you. Then similarly, I had written the admin dashboard flowchart, means the steps, and I had given you to draw the flowchart of it. Okay, so anybody has drawn the flowchart of these two processes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I had a doubt in admin dashboard flowchart.
Yes.
Ma'am, all those features that admin can access after login, that B2B
Yes.
tab and sales report, account manager, should we
Yes.
keep it in a rectangular box or a decision making box?
Rectangular box. Because after login, directly admin will access all these things. There is no question that whether admin can access or no, cannot access.
So, ma'am, all
Okay.
these steps view customer.
Like in case of your suppose in case of your customer login. So after customer login, there is no question that whether customer can view the list of items or not. It is obvious that customer will view all the items. Similarly, when the admin will log in, so obviously admin will get access to all those activities that is for admin, assigned to admin.
Okay, ma'am.
So have you drawn the flowchart of it?
Ma'am, half of it. And that was, ma'am, I was having that doubt, so I don't
Okay. Okay. And flowchart of cart finalization process. Okay, so we are not done. Okay, so I'll quickly draw the admin dashboard flowchart and the other one is the task for you. Then we'll move to our next section. Hotspot on coach. Hotspot on coach. So first start. So this is your admin dashboard flowchart. In admin dashboard flow chart, so according to the steps, so first you have to start. Okay. Then after start you have to log in, means admin has to log in. Then after login you can check for the valid login. Okay. Then if it is not valid login, if it is no, then again you will redirect it to that login process. Okay. Then if it is valid login, if it is yes, then next step is you can access, admin can access business to business user, account manager and sales report process. Okay. So that you can show in different, so in flowchart also you can show in this way, or in if you want to clearly specify, then you can separate all these activities: business to business user, account manager, sales report, or in the same box also you can write, but if you specify separately it will be more clearer. Business to business.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if the login is not valid, then it will ask to register, no?
No, if it is not login, it will not ask for register. If it is not valid, means your username and password is not correct. Okay. So if you want to that, then you can, before login, you can put one process box that registered. Sorry, a diamond box. There you can ask registered. Okay. Like
Yes,
in
ma'am.
our customer page we are doing, we are asking for whether customer registered, created one account or not. Same thing you can do here. But if it is wrong in case of your login, then you will redirect it to that login process only. So this is the flow chart. It is not that you have to follow strictly these steps. Okay. So if in your application you need to put another box here, account created, or do you have account, like this you can ask the question. Okay. Registered, question mark. If it is yes, then it will move to the login page. If it is no, then like previous case, create account. So it will create the account or fill the registration form. So that part also you can put here. Okay. But if it is
Yes, ma'am.
invalid login means it will move to that login process again. So this is whatever flow chart we are drawing. This is only for one a basic idea that we can draw the flow chart like this. But it is not that you have to strictly follow these steps only. You can add some steps. You can remove some steps. So then your sales report. So after this, there is common process. Okay, so that's why I tell you can put it in one box also. You can show it separately. If you show it separately, it will be more clear. So if you separating all this, then also you have to separately show the next processes. Get customer information, product catalog. Okay. So same thing for this one also. Okay, same thing for this one also. B2B user, so you can so why say, so you can be in case of your B2B user in that tab also show the give you the customer information, and after that you will get the catalog. Similarly, the account manager and sales report also, this tab will show a comprehensive report of their products, customer information and product catalog. Okay, so individually you can show, or in total also you can show it. So after this, as there is no space, then you just give a connection between both the product catalog. Okay, so here is your product catalog in this. Okay, so after this, here you just end the flowchart. Okay, so you can draw the flowchart like this. Your flowchart may be different from this. Okay, or any doubt? Okay. So shall I erase it? Done? Shall I erase this flow chart?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So similarly, you can draw front-end page flow design. Okay, what is means the user interface page flow design. Okay. So in front-end page flow design, what it will, so this is one kind of flow chart we can say. It shows the flow, but here you can show the flow of the pages. After this page, you will this page will be displayed like this, and each page what activity is done. So that you can show in front-end page flow design. Okay. So first so after you enter the URL of the website, so that welcome page will appear. Okay. So that you can write welcome to any e-commercial application. Okay. So welcome to my e-shop. So first this page will appear after entering the URL. So in this page, what activities are done in this page? First, it will ask for the registration. Have you registered? Okay, so in this page, so this way, okay, first you have to design the page in this way, then you have to write the HTML code or CSS code for designing the front page or front end. Then it will ask in the welcome to my eShop in that page, register. So if it is yes, then you will move to the login. If it is no, then you have to fill the registration form. So while you are drawing the flow chart, or while we are drawing the front end page flow design or designing the front end page, so you can specify all those things elaborately. Okay, so in case of your simple flow chart, we are just using the keyword register, then register. If not register, then register, like this. But here, if it is no, then fill the registration form. For your clarity, you can specify in the registration form what you will enter or what you will fill. Okay, so you will fill the name. So if you are filling the name in the first name, last name, so this is inverted arrow mark, we can say, because these are the input to the registration form. So arrow mark is not upward, it is downward. Then in that case, you can write your name or you can write the first name, last name. Then you are entering the email ID. Okay, so email, then contact number. So what you will enter in that registration form, that you can clearly specify here. Okay, then in that registration form only you are creating your password. So password, then your confirm password. Okay, so if other things you are entering like address, all those things you can write here. Okay, so first it will when you enter the URL, you will go to the that eShop page. Then in that page it will ask you or prompt you whether you have registered or not. If you have registered, then it will move to that login section. If you have not registered, then you have to fill the registration form and you have to fill all these fields. Okay, so in the login process, what you will do, so in the login page, you have to enter the username and password. Okay, then you have to validate this. Okay, validation of user ID and password. If it is valid, if it is yes, then you will move to the next page. Okay, so that is your dashboard, you can say, where you can view all the items. Customer dashboard, we can say. Welcome to dashboard. Okay, so in that dashboard page, what is there? So in that dashboard page, there are many options. Okay, so separately you can list all the options. Like in the header, you have a search section. Okay, search bar is there. Catalog list is there. Then in that case you can sort the product according to price, or according to size, or whatever the attribute you want. According to that you can sort the product. Okay, so various option you can view in that dashboard, so that you can specify here. So your dashboard view option contains many options. View contains many options. Okay, so clearly you can specify all these, so that when you will design the page it will be easier for you. So after this, so in that view, so in that menu option, okay, you can see in the upper, in the top of that page, that search bar is there. Okay, so in the header, section, in the header have a search section. Just a second. So in the header you have a search section, search section, and category list. Category list is also there, and category list to search and sort the product. Okay, so these things you can see in that view option. Okay, so elaborately you have to you can write for your pages. Okay, how to design your page. Then you can see the offers. Okay, the offers also displayed there. Okay, banner of offers for the product that you can show there. Banner of offers for the product. Similarly, you can see the after this search categorizing or sorting the items after offer. Okay, so after that you will select the item. Okay, so select the item. So select the item means what option you will see. So what you will see in that page that we are writing. So that will see next list of products. Along with view and add to cart option. Okay. Suppose you want that something else should be displayed to the customer, so that you can write in the design flowchart. Okay. So you just see how it is, how we are designing the page in pictorial form. So then next you can write. So go to or card button is on the at the top right hand corner. Okay. So go to cart button at top hand top right hand corner, right corner. Okay, so I'm not putting the box. Okay, it is not, this is inside the box. You have to put the box. Then after this what you will get, add or remove product in the cart, that option you will get. Okay, add and remove product in the cart. So what you are visualizing, so it is what you want to put in that page, that you have to write before designing, before coding, you have to write it first. So add remove product in cart. Okay, so after add remove, so after finalization what will happen, what option comes, then proceed to payment gateway. Okay, then after this what you do, after this if payment details comes. Okay, payment mode, then bank, debit card or credit card, all those details will appear. So enter. So that also you can show like this here, like in your field registration form, name, email, contact, password. Similarly in the payment details you can show all these things. So what the customer has to enter, expiry, okay, valid from, then that CBC, okay, then the credit card or debit card, whatever the options are coming, so that you can write here in this way. So enter. So what details you will enter, that you can specify. Enter payment CBB, it is CBB. So enter payment details. So that you can mention here. Then after this, approval thing happens. Okay. So if it is not approved or not successful, then again you will move to this enter payment details. If it is successful, if it is no, then this one. If it is yes, okay. If it is yes, successful, yes, if it is approved, then that successful page comes. Okay, it comes now. Your transaction is successful. The successful page will appear. Successful page you can write here. Okay, so in your according to your book, I am drawing all this. So in your book, it is showing email confirmation. So if you want to show the email confirmation after this, it is fine. Otherwise, when it is successful, mean before that we have given our email ID. It will come to the email ID. That is next is email confirmation. So what the way you want to design your page, you can do it. The email confirmation. Okay. So now what is the difference between the flow chart we have done till now and this front end page flow design? So front end page flow design means after which page comes, and in each page what options are coming, that you are showing here. Understood? Am I audible? You understood this front end page flow design?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So quickly draw it. So run it. Here you can write ID, name, age. Okay, so only 3 attributes I have taken here. Then there is also like we are having relationship in our entity relationship diagram. So here how will put the relation? There is a one-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, and many-to-many relationship. Okay. So relationships are here. Is here one-to-one. So how will put one-to-one? One-to-one relationship means suppose okay, I'll show you. Next object or class, let's say customer account. Okay. So one customer has one customer account. Okay. So we can put here single dash, single dash. Okay, that means this customer, this is one-to-one relation. One customer has one customer account. Okay, so one-to-one relationship. Similarly, suppose you want to show the multiple or one-to-many relationship, how will represent it? You have to put 3 dashes. Okay, means you can put here this way. One to many. One customer has many accounts. So you have to think what is the appropriate relationship. Okay, one customer has many accounts or one customer has one account. So according to that you have to put. Then similarly many to many relationship is also there. So many to many means here you can so here it is many customers have many customer account. So this is your many to many relationship. So this way we denote in our class diagram. Okay. So we'll write one-to-one one-to-one relationship this is represented by single dash on both the entities. Okay, single dash on both the entities. Then next is your one to many. One to many is your single dash on one side or on one entity, and 3 dashes on other entity.